In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and organize pages in Weebly, whether you're building a fresh, new site or just reorganizing your existing content. Understanding how to effectively manage your pages can significantly enhance both the user experience and SEO performance of your website. First, let's get started by opening up your web browser. Once you've done that, head over to the official Weebly website. You can quickly find it by typing Weebly into your search bar and selecting the appropriate result. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Weebly dashboard. From here, you want to look for the Website section and then click on Edit Site. This will take you straight to the Weebly editor where all the magic happens. Now, in the Weebly editor, the next area to focus on is the Pages tab. You'll find this at the top of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a list of all the pages currently available on your site, including any that may be hidden from public view. This layout provides a great overview and helps in managing your content efficiently. Adding a new page is simple. Look for the plus button. It's typically very visible, so you shouldn't miss it. Click on this to initiate the process of creating a new page. Weebly offers several options for page types, such as Instagram, a blank page, Contact Us, Gallery, Gift Card, About, Home, Stories Overview, and Story. Based on your needs, choose the type of page that best fits the content you wish to display. Once you've selected the type of page, it's essential to customize it. Start by naming your page, which not only helps in organization, but also impacts SEO. You'll also want to focus on the header area of the page. This is the section that visitors first see and plays a crucial role in leaving a lasting impression. Moreover, determine the page's visibility. You can choose to make it public, password protected, or viewable only to specific members. This is a great way to manage who sees what on more private or exclusive content. Finally, optimize the page for search engines. This includes adding relevant keywords, metadata, and descriptions that can improve search engine rankings. Once you've made all the necessary changes and customizations, it's important to preview the page. Click on Preview to see how the page looks live, ensuring everything appears just right. If you're satisfied with how your page looks and functions, click on Publish to make your changes live for the world to see. And that's it! Now you know how to add and organize pages in Weebly efficiently. Embrace these steps to keep your website fresh and engaging. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!